Hello friends, welcome to ITLS Academy, the best online training platform with its unique features which you will not find anywhere. Myself Dr. Manu Saini, I did my PhD in biotechnology from Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi and postdoctorate fellowship from Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, DRDO, New Delhi. As all of us know that herbal drugs is most promising career for life sciences or pharmacy background candidates. We are pleased to conduct this training program to empower the youth for their better career in herbal drug industry and research. During this training, participants will get an idea about herbal drug guidelines and how to manage quality control of products. The aim of this program is to make familiar with herbal drug industry, to aware the participants regarding FDA guidelines for herbal drugs, quality control and assurance management of herbal drugs, and to make familiar with career prospects in herbal industry after completing their education. After completing this course, you will get to learn about the herbs and its origin, extraction processes, WHO and ICH guidelines for herbal drugs, quality control of herbal drugs, job prospects in herbal industry. We are providing you the best training module without going anywhere. Just learn with us from your home on mobile or laptop without any time restrictions. When you want to learn, just log in your account, watch video, get important notes and participate in weekly assessment test. The topics which we will cover in this module are described here. In the first week of the training program, we will cover about the herbs, herbal drugs and their origin, the source and types of herbs, extraction of herbal drugs. Further, we will cover about the quality control of herbal drugs and there will be an assessment test of 20 MCQs at the end of the first week. In the second week, we will cover about the different phytochemical screening methods of herbal drugs, in which we will cover about the qualitative methods as well as the quantitative methods. We will also cover about the use of herbal drugs in inflammatory conditions and the role of herbal drugs as antibiotics. At the end of the week, there will be an assessment test of 20 MCQs. In the third week of this training program, we will cover about the use of herbal drugs as antioxidants, and further we will cover about the different biochemical parameters used to test the in vitro antioxidant activity of herbal drugs, in which we will discuss about the DBPH radical scavenging activity, hydroxyl radical scavenging activity, superoxide radical scavenging activity, nitric oxide radical scavenging activity. Further, we will cover about the use of herbal drugs in cardiovascular diseases and the use of spectrophotometer in herbal industry. Again, at the end of the third week, there will be an assessment test of 20 MCQs. In the fourth week of this training course, we will cover about the herbal drug in dermatological conditions, high performance thin layer chromatography, use of herbal drugs in diabetes, role of herbal drugs in kidney issues and urinary tract infection, and at the end of the week there will be an assessment test of 20 MCQs. In the fifth week, we will cover about the reverse phase high performance liquid chromatography, the use of herbs in gout and arthritis. We will cover about the gas chromatography and the use of herbal drug in liver and gastrointestinal diseases. Again, at the end of the week, there will be an assessment test of 20 MCQs. In the sixth week, that is the last week of this program, we will cover about the liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, that is LCMS, herbal drugs in women well-being, use of herbal drug in cancer, WHO and ICH guidelines for herbal drugs, challenges and risk involved in herbal drug development and usage. And at the end of the course, there will be an assessment test of 50 multiple choice questions. So, the eligibility of this course is Bachelor's in Biology, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Master's in Biology, Biotechnology, Microbiology, BTech Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, MTech Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, D Pharma, B Pharma, M Pharma students, faculty and research scholars. And the participants of this program will get a participation certificate. So don't wait. If it's suitable for you, register yourself now and connect with us on our WhatsApp number to get unbelievable discount offers.